All right, for those of you that own a Gayk, you'll appreciate this. We rearranged the lights, added some bigger lights, and well, just made it so you can actually see what's going on. So the first light we added was this little itty bitty floodlight right here at the base that aims at the base of your foot, so you can see the line if you're driving it to a line. And then we added 2 floodlights up top, one facing back at the field and then one as our downlight work light. And as you know, up at the head, the only way to see that, where you're loading your pile in, is with the light on this light bar right here. So that's aiming up. That's the original factory light. The old light that just faced down, we actually took that off, put it on the back here, and aimed it up, because as you know, when you're raising your mast in the night, you can't really tell that part right there where the stop is, so you're kind of raising it up blind. So now we got a light at the top, aiming at the top. And then whenever you're driving, I went ahead and added a switch right here. So whenever you're driving, you can throw on your drive light, because the mast will be down, so you'll have no lights up there really. But now you got a drive light as you're loading it on your trailer. How cool is that? That is our lighting upgrade, and I'll stand back so you can kind of get an idea of how much light this thing's throwing off. It's up the hill, down the hill. Pretty neat.